guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today is my vlog number 6 and I'm going to show you how to make the best brownies ever. Tested and finally we have it. The best brownie recipe ever. And they are so good and they'll beat out any box brownie mix you'll ever try. And they are so good and I can't start baking it. So come with me! Let's try your finished product. So good. It's so chewy and chocolatey. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. The texture and mixture is so good, and it's not that sweet. And this is the best brownie ever. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the big thumbs up and comment down below what other things you want to see. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow, but next week. Peace out.